raid as searches that are also being conducted in Srinagar. Now, this is the Counter-Intelligence Kashmir, the CIK, that has been raiding the Srinagar hospital, and these raids are all said to be connected with the Delhi blast investigation. As far as when it comes to a hospital in Shireen Bagh and Srinagar raids that are now also taking place at the SMHS. This is one of the very well-known hospitals there in Srinagar where these raids are now being taking place. So mainly as far as when it comes to these terrorists are concerned, how they are now been connected to this conspiracy already, them being medical practitioners. So as far as secondary contacts are now concerned, or any links that are now concerned, especially when it comes to hospitals and doctors, is something that the investigative agencies are now looking at for. And as the Delhi blast investigation that has been picking up, we're looking at in Srinagar, these raids are also taking place. Earlier, the breaking update came in of different locations across the Kashmir Valley where these raids that have been taking place. This is the CIK, which is the Counter-Intelligence Kashmir. There you can see in Kulgam, in Srinagar, in Budgam and in Anantnag, where these searches that have been taking place. But at hospitals too in Srinagar, we are told that these raids are taking place in Shireen Bagh. And as far as when it comes to the SMHS hospital in Srinagar as well, many of the terror suspects that have been picked up for questioning or have been detained for questioning, as far as when it comes to terror suspects also being doctors mainly, because this is a conspiracy that has been unprecedented when we are looking at highly educated medical practitioners that were roped in when it comes to expanding their terror network and also planning as far as the terror conspiracy to plan at least 6 blasts or multiple blasts across Delhi and prominent cities across the country simultaneously. So as far as when it comes to this investigation is concerned, whether be it in Delhi, we are told 25 different locations, that is on part of the ED searches and raids that are being carried out. But there you can see the CRPF, the police that has now been roped in, the CIK that has been conducting these searches taking place in hospitals there in Srinagar. We are told different locations in the Kashmir Valley as well, in Budgam, in Anantnag, where these searches that are currently taking place, all of them said to be linked to the Delhi blast investigation. So as far as the terror angle, that is also being investigated on part of the top anti-terror agency, which is the NIA, multiple state ATS, which is the anti-terror squads that have also been working alongside, and in different parts of the country where we're looking at as far as the terror network and its links are now concerned, that is being investigated. And of course, on part of the economic angle or the financial angle is something that we're looking at, where the Enforcement Directorate is now looking as far as when it comes to filing a case under relevant sections of the PMLA on certain charges of money laundering, where these raids are taking place in Delhi and adjoining areas. Let's connect with Ankit on this. Ankit, जांच का दायरा बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. CIK के बारे में बात की जाए तो श्रीनगर में लोकेटेड हॉस्पिटल्स हो, वहां पर रेड्स चल रही हैं, सर्चेस चल रही हैं, और बताया जा रहा है कई और इलाके, चाहे अनंतनाग, बडगाम, कश्मीर घाटी में अगर बात की जाए तो काफी रेड्स और जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है CIK की तरफ से वो बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है.
का दायरा जो है वो अब CIK यानी कि काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस कश्मीर की तरफ से बढ़ाया गया है, ताकि जितना भी ये व्हाइट कॉलर टेररिज्म का नेटवर्क है उसको बस्ट किया जाए. वहीं आज जम्मू कश्मीर की जो काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट है उसकी तरफ से श्रीनगर, अनंतनाग, कुलगाम के अंदर जो रेड